This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the phone has at least 20% battery and the screen is unlocked. This prevents interruptions. Once done, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears because safe mode toggles are tied to restart actions. Make sure to note any unsaved work. Safe mode disables third-party apps temporarily. Next, long press restart or power off on the menu to reveal the option to boot normally versus safe mode and prepare to continue. You now perform the restart sequence. If a safe mode prompt appears after holding restart, choose to reboot normally. This tells the system to exit the diagnostic environment. If no prompt shows, force a manual restart by powering off fully and powering on again, because a clean boot often clears the flag. Once the phone boots up, look at the bottom left of the lock or home screen for safe mode text. Absence of that label confirms you successfully exit. You finish by addressing persistent causes. Uninstall any apps installed just before the problem, since a misbehaving app often triggers safe mode. This removes the culprit without resetting everything. Once done, reboot normally again and verify the safe mode watermark is gone. If the issue persists, clear system cache from recovery or backup your data and perform a factory reset. Quick troubleshooting tip: boot into normal mode after uninstalling the suspected app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.